ReluxCAD for Revit. ReluxCAD for Revit 2022 makes it possible to realize lighting designs for exterior projects directly in Revit. As soon as a luminaire and a measuring surface are available in the outdoor area of the project, a calculation can be performed for this part of the scene. A message will appear informing about the calculation of the outdoor scene. The result can be displayed by selecting false colors and contains the same colors known from Relux Desktop. Also in the Room Manager, the exterior scene is now listed and displayed with the inserted luminaires and calculated values. Start working on your outdoor project.